Good evening, everybody, and thank you for joining us tonight. Masking up on public transportation now a matter of personal choice.
But that doesn't mean everyone should stop wearing a face covering. Sam Spangler spoke with experts to find out who should keep their masks on in a story that's new tonight at 10.
Here in the islands, this ruling impacts us more than perhaps anywhere else in the country due to the lengthy flights we take. Experts now say that flying is riskier, and those at highest risk should take some precautions to protect themselves.
If you had a whole bunch of people with COVID basically sitting there, the filtration system alone is not going to protect you. And that's where I think when they had the mask plus the filtration system, then I do think flying was comparatively safe.
Brown says things have changed since the early studies about COVID on planes. For one thing, newer strains like Omicron BA2 are more contagious. Dr. Brown believes the traditional 6-foot safety bubble should be more than 12 feet now. Another risk, unmasked staff.
I could still see potential for risk if you have an employee who's working on a plane who may be asymptomatic and going around to people who are no longer masking.
As for those who should keep wearing masks on planes, it's not just the immunocompromised.
If you're really overweight, that is now known to be a very significant factor. If you have lung disease like asthma or a heavy smoker where you have that heavy smoker's cough, heart disease, prior heart disease, you need to be wearing a mask.
Dr. Miskovich adds those who have yet to get a booster vaccine. Many parents now face tough decisions about traveling.
If you have keiki who are under 5 who are unable to get vaccinated, then as a parent, you know, your risk calculus changes. So, you know, you're gonna probably try to put yourself in a situation where if you have to travel, you're gonna do everything you can to protect your keiki and yourself.
That's where mask quality could make a big difference.
They are now customizing good quality masks to fit the younger children. So please find a mask that is made for kids under 5.
Now, as for what type of mask you should wear, the experts say don't rely on one of these cloth masks for protection. Your best bet is an N95 mask, but Miskovich adds that if you can't get your hands on one of those, one of these KN95s should do the trick just fine. Sam Spangler, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.